Okay, so hello everyone, I am Dr. Neelam Soni. I am the founder of Navi Mumbai Premier League and also the founder of Mazgaon Cricket Club. So right now where I am sitting, this is the Mazgaon Cricket Club ground where Navi Mumbai Premier League season 4 is happening. Today we have the quarter final. So just tell you a little bit about how this started. This started long back. So Mazgaon Cricket Club has been affiliated to Mumbai Cricket Association for more than 2 decades now. So being associated with the association, it follows all the protocols of what has been needed for first class cricket. So under the aegis of Mazgaon Cricket Club, Navi Mumbai Premier League, which is also called as NMPL, season 4 currently in 2026, we are trying to provide a platform for the budding talents of Navi Mumbai area so that they could be playing under 19 Ranji and also go forward for first class cricket or for Team India. So being in the fortunate side of having a ground of our own, it has become very easy for us to implement our ideas for our own Navi Mumbai Premier League tournament, right from season 1 to season 4. So season 1 started where we have had no ground, so we had to have our matches in Thane at the Dadaji Konde Stadium. But then from season 2 onwards, trying to gather up with all the funds and with all the facilities for our players, for our coaches, for the entire league to happen, we started on the ground of Mazgaon Cricket Club, Kalamboli, where I'm already seated right now. And you can have the look at the ground, it is perfectly for the players. So it has come, we have come through a long way, almost 2 decades, and here for the last 4 years we have been handling this tournament, which I would not mention what I would feel, but I would like to quote the words of the different players of the 8 different teams and the coaches that they found the ground and the pitch very, very useful for playing. They say it is one of the finest grounds of Navi Mumbai and Mumbai as well. So I wish all the best to all my upcoming players. I have this small little wish of contributing more to under 19, to Ranji and to first class cricket from the platform of Navi Mumbai Premier League. Thank you so much. Namaskar. Was that okay?